Hello, it's Cheryl from the Lifestyle Digs, and here I am in Saint-Jean-Pied-de-Port, France. This picturesque medieval city is the beginning of the most popular route of the Camino de Santiago, the French way. Today is day one, and I'll be hiking 15 kilometers up the Pyrenees, and then the mountain shuttle will pick me up at 2:30 in the afternoon and bring me back to Saint John for the night. Hi everyone, it's Cheryl from the Lifestyle Digs, and today is the first day that I'm going to be walking on the Camino de Santiago. I'll be going up the mountain of the Pyrenees. So I'm just getting myself ready, a little foot glide before I put my socks on, but yeah, it's still dark outside. It is 7:23 in the morning. The sun's supposed to come up at about 5 minutes before 8 o'clock, and that's France time. Okay, so I will be off to begin my Camino in a very few minutes. Bye for now. At this point, I have already walked about 2 miles on the Camino de Santiago. It's been mostly uphill. And some more pilgrims coming up behind me. Back there is Saint-Jean-Pied-de-Port. And there's nothing to it but just to keep climbing up the Pyrenees. It's like up and up and up across the Pyrenees, way up there. I like my walking stick with the horse head on it. Here I am at the Refuge Horizon. This is also a albergue or hostel, but they also serve drinks and meals here. There's a lot of pilgrims that stop here. I've got about another hour walk ahead of me before I go for where my bus stop is. I'm going back to Saint John tonight. What a view. Getting across the Pyrenees. Aren't they just the cutest? Here's the one with the cowbell on it. And they're free-range horses. Here's the road. There's no fences. There's a couple horses over there too. There's all the pilgrims up off the Pyrenees. And I'm over here admiring these beautiful animals. Look at this sheep on this side and horses on this side. You hear the cowbells. I really hope I'm getting to the summit soon. Look at this view. Just amazing. And I came from somewhere way down there today. The distance from Saint-Jean-Pied-de-Port to Roncesvalles is about 25 kilometers. Many pilgrims complete this stage in one day, but due to the steep climb up the Pyrenees on the Napoleon Route and unsure of my level of fitness for mountain hiking, I decided to break it into 2 days. This is a common strategy with older pilgrims. Usually, this means spending the night at the Refuge Horizon at 8 kilometers or Albergue Borda at about 10 kilometers. Unfortunately, both of these were fully booked when I was researching 1 month in advance of my Camino. I also felt that I could walk more than 10 kilometers and found out there's a mountain shuttle. The last place the shuttle picks up pilgrims and brings them back to Saint John is at the Cross Thibault at about the 15-kilometer mark. This is where the Camino shifts off the road and goes up a goat trail up and over the mountain. Back in St. John Pied de Port for the evening, here I am enjoying drinks with the girls. That's one of the advantages of taking the mountain shuttle back down and spending a second night in St. John. There's lots of bars and restaurants.